how to fix Monopoly Go no internet connection. So I'm going to suggest a few things that you can try. The first thing is just using airplane mode. So on your iPhone or Android device, you want to go to your settings and just briefly enable airplane mode, wait for 10 seconds, and then you have to disable airplane mode, and this will essentially just restart your internet connection on your device. Now, that was the first tip that I can give you. If it still doesn't work for you, another thing that you can try doing is using your mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi network. So just disable your Wi-Fi temporarily, use your mobile data, and see if Monopoly Go works that way. If it doesn't work either, then what you can do is simply uninstall the app altogether. So uninstall the app, reinstall it from your Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and hopefully this fixes it for you. So those are 3 things you can try if you get the no internet connection error on Monopoly Go. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.